Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have something that can completely change the way you think and make decisions. That is mental models. Have you ever felt stuck while solving a problem or making a big decision? Like you are working hard but not moving forward. What if I told you there is a way to think smarter, solve problems faster, and make better choices in life? That's exactly what Peter Hollins talks about in his book Mental Models 30 Thinking Tools that separate the average from the extraordinary. In this video, I will explain what mental models are, share some of the most powerful ones, tell you how success people like Elon Musk and Charlie Munger use them, and give you tips to apply them in daily life. So let's dive in. So, first thing first, what exactly are mental models? Imagine trying to fix something with just a hammer. You will struggle if the problem needs a screwdriver or a spanner. Similarly, when we rely on only one way of thinking, we limit ourselves. Mental models are like thinking tools. They help us understand problems, simplify decisions, and work smarter. Billionaire investor Charlie Munger said, to solve problems effectively, you need multiple models from multiple disciplines economics, psychology, physics, you name it. Now, let's talk about two of the most powerful mental models from this book. Number one, the Pareto Principle or 80-20 rule. The Pareto Principle says that 80% of results come from just 20% of your efforts. Where do we see this in our real life? In business, 20 to 30% of customers bring 70 to 80% of the profits. In studies, 20 to 30% of the topics contribute 70 to 80% of your exam marks. In your daily life, 20 to 30% of your clothes are worn 70 to 80% of the time. So, how can we use this principle effectively? Number one, identify the vital 20 to 30% and find the few tasks, habits, or people that create real value. Eliminate the useless 70 to 80%. Stop wasting time on things that don't matter. If you are preparing for an exam, instead of reading and focusing on everything, just focus on 20 to 30% of the topics that appear 70 to 80% of the questions. What is the lesson? Success is not about doing everything. It is about doing the right things. Number two, Eisenhower Matrix. This is prioritization made easy. Ever feel like your to-do list is endless? The Eisenhower Matrix helps you decide what truly important, what just a distraction. Imagine 2 by 2 matrix where urgent not urgent, important not important. Important, urgent, do it now. This is crisis deadline. Important and not urgent, plan it like exercise, learning long-term goals. Not important, urgent, delegate, interruptions or some emails. Not important and not urgent, eliminate this like time wasting activities like browsing the social media. How to apply this principle? Stop treating everything as urgent. Spend more time in quadrant 2, that is important but not urgent. Your growth lies in this quadrant. Before saying yes to a task, ask, is this really important? What is the lesson? Focus on what truly matters, not just what screaming for your attention. Mental models are not just theory. Some of the world's most successful people use them daily. Elon Musk uses first principle thinking to innovate a at Tesla and SpaceX. Charlie Munger relies on inversion and second order thinking for investment decisions. Jeff Bezos uses regret minimization, asking, will I regret not doing this when I am 80? That's how he started Amazon. Success is not about IQ, it is about how you think. So, how can you apply these mental models in daily life? Number one, when faced with a tough decision, use first principle thinking, break it down to basics. Number two, to avoid mistakes, try inversion. Ask, what will I make me fail? Number three, use the Eisenhower Matrix to prioritize the tasks and eliminate distractions. Number four, before big decisions, practice second order thinking. Think about the long term consequences. Try this today. Make your to do list and use the Eisenhower matrix to organize it. So, here is what we learned today. Mental models are the thinking tools that help us make better decisions. The Pareto Principle teaches us to focus on the 20 to 30% that gives 70 to 80% of the results. The Eisenhower matrix helps us prioritize important tasks, work over distractions. Successful people like Elon Musk and Charlie Munger use mental models daily. Start smart. Pick one model and use it today. Question for you. Which mental model are you excited to try it first? Comment below. If you found this helpful, give it a